I have here, on my side of the table, smoked potato burrito, chopped red potatoes, fake and bacon, tomatoes, Monterey Jack cheese, veganese, vegan option. Don't let the word vegan scare you. It doesn't mean it tastes bad. Let's, in the colder months, they light this fire outside, which is really nice.